What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As a student, are you drowning in a sea of assignments, research papers, and endless reading? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the future of education and exploring the top 5 AI tools that will completely revolutionize your student life in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about research. Say goodbye to spending hours sifting through endless articles. Tool number 1 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as a supercharged search engine designed for learning. You can ask it complex questions like, what are the main arguments for and against universal basic income? And instead of just giving you a list of links, it synthesizes information from top sources and provides a clear, concise answer with citations. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket, helping you understand complex topics faster and find credible sources in seconds. It's an absolute game changer for writing essays and research papers. Next on our list, at number 2, is an incredible tool for note-taking and summarizing, Otter AI. We've all been there, trying to furiously type notes in a lecture while also trying to actually listen to the professor. Otter AI solves this problem by transcribing your lectures in real time. Just hit record on your phone or laptop, and it creates a written transcript. The best part, it can identify different speakers, and you can add comments, highlight key points, and even search the entire transcript for specific keywords later. It is perfect for reviewing material before an exam and ensures you never miss a crucial detail again. Coming in at number 3, we have a tool that will become your new best friend for writing, Quillbot. This is way more than just a simple grammar checker. Quillbot is an all-in-one writing powerhouse. Its paraphrasing feature helps you rephrase sentences to avoid plagiarism and improve your clarity. The grammar checker is top-notch, catching mistakes you might miss. But it also has a summarizer to condense long articles into key points and a citation generator to create flawless bibliographies in any format. Using Quillbot is like having a writing tutor on call 24/7 to help you refine your work and boost your grades. Alright, for our 4th tool, let's tackle one of the biggest challenges for students, procrastination and time management. Meet Motion. It's an AI-powered calendar and project manager that intelligently plans your day for you. You just dump all your tasks, assignments, and study sessions into it, and Motion's algorithm automatically creates a prioritized schedule. If something unexpected comes up, it reshuffles your entire schedule instantly to keep you on track. It helps you build better habits and ensures you're always working on what matters most, without the stress of manual planning. Finally, at number 5, we have a tool for visual learners and creative thinkers, SysPace, which was formerly known as Typeset.io. This tool is brilliant for anyone dealing with dense academic papers, especially in STEM fields. You can upload any research paper, and its AI co-pilot will explain the complex text, math, and tables in simple terms. You can ask questions about the paper, get summaries of different sections, and discover related literature. It demystifies academic jargon and makes understanding cutting-edge research so much more accessible. It's perfect for literature reviews and staying on top of your field. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that are set to transform your student experience in 2025. From research and writing to note-taking and time management, these tools can help you learn smarter, not just harder. Have you tried any of these? Or do you have another favorite AI tool? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.